Hello and welcome to SellMore. In this video, we will be taking a quick look at what templates are and how do they work. So let's get started. What is a template? A template is a design layout for different pages such as checkout page, post purchase page, thank you page or order status page. With help of SellMore, you can upsell directly from these pages. Now let's take an example for this. This is your normal checkout page. With help of SellMore, you can add different blocks which are called widgets that allows you to upsell directly from a checkout page, thus increasing your AOV and boosting your revenue. With help of SellMore, you can see that these blocks which are called widgets are added to your checkout page. Now let's take a look at these widgets. With SellMore, you get three different widgets. For single product based upsell, you get product upsell where you can give a perfect nudge to spend a bit more. For multi product based upsell, you get bundle or recommendation. Either sell them individually or bundle them together and sell them at a single price. Let's create your first template. To create your template, coming onto the app, select create a new template and select the page you want to create your template for. I will go with thank you page. In the sidebar, you will see different slots. Now these slots are the position on which widgets are shown. I will go with slot number 2. Here you will see this banner. Clicking on this CTA, you will be redirected to the theme page. Once on theme page, you will see a screen similar to this. On thank you page, I have already added two different slots. Once I'm configuring the slot number 2 in the app. So here I will select slot number 2 and add my slot. Slot would be added right here. For me to reposition this, I will click on this and this would be repositioned as per my requirement. Make sure the slot you have added here is configured in the app. Save the changes and come back to the app and you will see a widget given here. To add more widgets, select this button and you can add more widgets. To reorder the widgets in terms of the vertical order, you can select it from here. And to make changes in terms of which product to show, how much discount the products has, you can use this sidebar and you can make design changes from this panel right here. That's it about templates. If you have any question or queries, our support team is here for you. Thank you for watching.